This is an example of a studio. Here you have plenty of space to study and relax. There's a really comfy 3/4 size bed with plug sockets close by so you can charge your phone. There's tons of room and storage for all of your belongings and space for when you're studying. The desk is great for all your uni work and there are shelves to fill with whatever you want. One of the best things about this room is the kitchen area. It has a fridge with a freezer compartment which can be really useful. There's an induction hob and an electric oven, which is great for improving your cooking skills. There's also a toaster, a kettle and a sink, so you have everything you need in your room. You also have your own ensuite bathroom with a shower, a mirror and a sink, so you can roll out of bed and get ready in the morning.